it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my sister Bridget.
I'm back!
She hasn't been in a video in quite a long time. I don't even remember the last one. Today we are going to be making a vegan and gluten-free chocolate cake. We're going to decorate it like a pumpkin patch. We're going to put some cookie crumbs on top to be the dirt. We got some
pumpkins.
Yeah, we got some little pumpkins, and we're going to put some, it's going to be good. We're going to put a little sign. You'll see. So I think that is everything we have to say for now. So let's go. No. Let's get into the video.
Oh, you're waiting for me to
Yeah.
Which way is it?
I'd actually
Let's go. We're gonna make stuff.
So we're starting off by combining buckwheat flour, brown rice flour, and almond flour, along with some sugar, cocoa, baking powder, and baking soda, and just whisking that together. Then you want to add in your almond milk and melted coconut oil and stir that until it's combined, making sure to scrape the bottom so that there's no dry ingredients stuck there.
Baking vegan and gluten-free cakes is actually the best because you don't have to worry about beating eggs or like over mixing or anything. Like sometimes when you make a regular cake, you're not supposed to mix it too much because it can get gummy, but because there's no gluten in this cake, you can just like mix it as long as you want basically until everything's combined, and it's just such a forgiving cake mix. Like it's just so easy. Stir it all up and then pour it into your pan, which we're gonna do now. And I just like using parchment because it's so easy to clean up. Nothing sticks. So I'm gonna hold the bowl and you can dump it.
Bake it in the oven for 30 to 32 minutes, and then in the meantime you can make the frosting, which is some vegan butter, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, and a little bit of almond milk, and just use an electric mixer to mix that until it's smooth. And then you can start adding your powdered sugar and mixing it until you get a nice thick frosting consistency. So then we just waited until the cake was fully cooled and then spread the frosting on the cake. We used the frosting to make some little dirt piles, and then we added on some chocolate cookie crumbs to look like dirt, and then added some little pumpkin candies and used a green frosting in a piping bag to add some stems and leaves and some little curls to make it look like a pumpkin patch. For the sign, we just used a skewer with a piece of cardboard taped on and just wrote on the sign with a Sharpie marker.
I don't want to cut into it. It's so cute.
It's kind of orange. It's fitting. Okay. Cheers. It's really moist.
Yeah, it's good.
It cooks. It has like a very normal, but like.
Yeah, like a normal cake texture. This is actually delicious, like with the Oreo crumbs.
It's cute if you're going to a Halloween party.
Yep.
Cake, obviously a good party food. Pumpkins, Halloween thing.
I think they get it. I think they get it.
it.
If you guys don't know already, I have a cookbook. It is coming out in February, and you can now pre-order it. And if you pre-order it, you get a free bonus ebook sent to you right now so you can start cooking right away, and the recipes are not in the actual cookbook. They're like bonus recipes. So I'll put the link to check that out below if you're interested. All right.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween. Thank you guys for watching. If you don't celebrate Halloween, happy October 31st. And I will see you guys in my next video.
Bye!